Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of posting a video on YouTube. To start, open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. If you're not already logged in, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Create button at the top right corner, then select Upload Video. You'll be taken to your YouTube Creator Studio page, where you can click on Select Files to browse and choose the video you want to upload. Once selected, you can edit the title, description, and upload a thumbnail. After configuring your desired settings, you can choose visibility options such as private, unlisted, or public, with the option to schedule the video for later. Finally, click on the Schedule or Publish button to make your video live. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for future updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.